What's up, guys? Today I'm going to introduce who? Guess. Gada, Mr. Mehdi Awanati. And he's from Garage. He's a famous singer in the Garage, okay? And he used to be one of the Jackass member. Now, Mr. Garage. Hello. Hi, guys.
We heard that you are a new singer in Iran.
Well, actually, as I can do nothing, I thought that I would do something. Suddenly I found out that my voice is fucking nice. So I decided to sing for you guys. But I have just one song till now.
You produced one song till now.
Till now, because actually our fucking producer is not giving us money.
The name of the song?
Huh?
Name of the song?
Javani. Yes.
Please, can you let us listen for it?
Well, so please, 1, 2, 3, action. در جوانی تا توانی جلو بزنم گر دست راست خسته شد با چپ بزن امان امان از این دنیای دیوونه که گیر در تو زندونه امان
You wanna say something else?
Well, guys, be waiting for our new album. It's gonna be released in after century in cassette and CD, and CD is for 50 cents.
And DVD as well,
Yes,
with a video clip?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much for the interview. Wish to see you again in Garage. Bye-bye.
The second day for, Mr. Mehdi and his fucking fresh song.
He finished it just now, I heard.
It's called, you know what's the name? Pussy Pussy.
Okay.
But in Garage accent.
Okay.
Then you got, sorry, before doing it got a bit action, so I'm
Okay.
gonna do that. Sorry, guys.
So, let's see the new song. You finish it right now.
Guys, sorry. Yo! کاسی کردم کنی دادم جریمه کاسی کردم کنی دادم جریمه صدای آدم کسکن امینه کاسی هم کردم کنی دادم جریمه صدای کسکن امینه یا الله کاسی